welcome to Jojo Science Show. Do you think that I can make this drone fly with just my mind? Ow. Well, that didn't work. My brain seriously hurts. So, we'll have to try some science. Keep watching and you might learn something about our brains. Our brains are really amazing. It's like a giant computer processor. Does your brain ever wonder how your brain works? Wait, what? Your brain is made up of many cells called neurons. And these are microscopic images of real neurons. These neurons have long wire-like extensions coming out of them. So those were neurons and this is oldron. And don't forget about moron. We should carry on since we know all the rons. Neurons carry electrical signals by absorbing and letting out charged particles called ions. Who let the ions out? Neuron. When these neurons connect to one another, they form circuits.
Hey everybody, I'm a brain. I like waving at you because I get excited when I see you. That's what a brainwave is.
No, brain, that's not what a brainwave is.
Wait, it's not?
Brainwaves are caused by electrical signals moving along the neuron. When electrical signals fire along these circuits, it creates an electrical field around it. We can measure changes in these electrical fields with electrodes, and we see it as brainwaves.
Oh, that makes more sense.
My brain is like the ocean. It's waving at you. This special helicopter comes with this headband with electrodes. These electrodes will pick up brain activity and send signals to the helicopter to make it fly. Let's try it out. I want to put the electrodes on the front of my head so it can read my brain. Up. Okay, so now the drone should be able to read my brain waves and fly. Oh, these are getting in the way of each other. Oh, let me try. I can't get it to stop. I'm always thinking about something. I guess I'll just have to take off my headband. I'm gonna need 2 hands though. No. Wow, did you see that? The helicopter picked up my brainwaves and took off. We need to go outside so I can gather all my big ideas and make the drone fly really far. 3, 2, 1. There we go. My sister also got it to work. Did you know that good boys always think deep? Keep watching and you'll find out what that means. There are 5 main types of brainwaves. I'm going to say them from fastest to slowest. Gamma, beta, alpha, theta, and delta. So, good boys always think deeply is a good way to remember it. Your brain emits faster waves like gamma or beta when you're thinking a lot. And when you're relaxed, your brain emits slower waves like theta or delta. Can you think of ways we could use this technology if it improves? People who are paralyzed or can't move or speak can use this to control wheelchairs or things around them. Doctors can also use brainwaves to test to see if newborn babies can hear. When I was born, the doctors put electrodes on my head and played sounds. Then they looked to see if the sound caused any brainwaves. If they could see brainwaves, that means the sound got converted into electrical signals and got to my brain, which meant I could hear. So by measuring my brainwaves, they could tell that I could hear even though I couldn't tell them because I was a baby. Thanks for watching Jojo Science Show. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel so you can become a kid scientist too. And ring the bell so you'll receive notifications whenever I post a new fun video. And remember kids, science is fun!